Are you hungry? Do you want dinner? How about we make a beef lau mein? Now we're not going to need a lot of things for this because it's our frozen dinner, but let's try it and see if it's any good, shall we? Tonight for dinner, let's make a beef lau mein. It's a skillet meal, so we're going to need this bag and a 1/4 cup of water. We're going to need to preheat our stove or our pan for medium heat. So let's get our pan preheating, shall we? Once our pan starts to warm up, we will put our sauce pack in here that came with our food. Just going to simmer this down a little bit. Break it down here. And this is our sauce. Next, we're going to grab our beef lau mein. We're going to add that in there, like so. And our 1/4 cup of water. And then we're going to mix this up. We'll put a lid on this. Let it cook for 9 to 10 minutes, mixing often. Don't forget, we're going to want to make sure that this is stirred and mixed in. That way we can cook it evenly. So it's starting to get real good now. Getting some color, fragrant. So good, it's starting to get. Close to being finished. Mix it up so it doesn't stick. This way some wood. After 9 minutes, this is how mine came out. It's not stuck to the pan. Everything looks good. Oh, some of it stuck to the pan. Womp womp. Alright. Nothing left to do but to make a plate. Grab our measuring cup. 1 cup is a serving. This is how you get your carb count numbers. And there's our food. Now, is it any good? We gotta try a bite. There's our plate. It's not bad. It's a quick easy meal. The only downside is it said it was 4 servings. It's not 4 servings. So if you're feeding 3 people, portion size, this will work. If it's more than that, it's not really going to work for you. You'll have to get a bigger bag or more bags. I hope you had a great eating. If you have a wonderful night and great eating, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.